Readings over Kansas that were very pleasant today. However, we are looking for south and eastward. The central and eastern parts of Kansas will very probably be cloudy in the morning, and then western Kansas will begin to get increasing cloudiness by tomorrow afternoon. Today, however, very, very pleasant reading. 73 up in the Goodland area, 72 at Garden City, 70 reported by Dodge City and Liberal, 72 over by the good folks.
Today I'm riding some gravel. I have been lacking in the miles lately, have not had a lot of time to ride. I'm headed to pick up Reese right now. We're going to Lawrence, Kansas. We're gonna leave from Sunflower Bike Shop. Sunflower Bike Shop is a really great bike shop on Mass Street in downtown Lawrence. They do a lot of gravel rides from their shop, so they've got a lot of gravel rides that are already mapped out. So I downloaded one of the routes and we're gonna go check it out today. Stay tuned. So what do you know about this route today?
Nothing.
It's like 40 miles, that's basically it, huh?
Yeah.
Tell us about this route we're about to do.
And it's perfect on a day when the wind is coming out of the south. This middle distance lap takes you in the KU campus on its way towards Lone Star Lake. On the way down there, you'll pass Hastie Hill, site of the only mountain bike downhill state championship to our knowledge, and historic Chicken Creek Bridge. There's some hills on this route, but there's some great downhills. It's 540 meters of climbing. You got your shit set to European. We're in America.
This is European?
Yeah, you got your...
I hope it's 40 miles.
Yeah, kilometers and meters in there. We don't do that here in the US.
And it says if the wind's not coming out of the south, then you're screwed basically.
Yeah.
You know where the wind's coming from today?
It's coming out of the south. It's pretty light right now, isn't it?
So it's like what? The wind's probably like what, 6 miles an hour right now coming out of the south. Gonna be a nice day for a ride.
We're what? How many days? Like 9 days from Christmas and 55 degrees right now.
It's pretty perfect weather.
Gotta love Kansas.
And in the Ponca City Blackwell area, 68 degrees today.
All right, and we are off. They say that Kansas is flat, but the University of Kansas is definitely not flat. Hills everywhere. So right over here to my right is where the KU basketball team plays their games. Allen Fieldhouse.
And no precipitation. We're about a half inch behind, correction, half inch ahead for the year, and 1 53/100ths behind for the year so far. We'll be looking for a little bit of a change tomorrow, and of course,
I think we finally found out where we're going.
Nothing showing up on the radar. However, the satellite photo was pretty interesting for the western half of the U.S. Rain showers and thunder showers along that frontal system, and that wide band of fairly heavy snows. Now, what will happen each time that you see the
pavement is ending and gravel is ahead in our sights.
So as of that time, of course, the front was way off in the northwest. Now, however, it's moving into the central part of the nation.
It would appear that we are coming up on our first climb, big climb of the day. Tell them what your favorite part of climbing is, Reese.
The pain, the suffering. Gets all that stress out. Gets rid of all that angst you got in your body. People napping in your head.
All the people
Yep.
My favorite part of the hills is definitely the downhill. Oh shit, here's the lake. Check this out. All right guys, so we are 18 miles in. This is Lone Star Lake. Nice little lake.
Ourselves behind it, and a few pockets of low pressure, and a fairly heavy band of rain showers and snow all the way from the eastern portions of Montana down to western sections of Nevada. And of course the map.
Route's awesome, scenic, mixed roads. It's got some gravel. It's got some paved roads. It's got a really awesome lake. I highly recommend it. You feel like these gravel roads are nicer than the gravel roads we ride usually?
It's less chunky, smoother. I like it.
I really failed us with the whole GPS thing, didn't I?
We hop on this, past the road that we turned 950 to the left, and that'll take us back to where we were.
More hills. The hills never end. Big dog. All right, we just finished up an awesome gravel ride. We are at Jefferson's on Mass Street in downtown Lawrence. The ride, total distance 41 miles, average speed 14.7, moving time 2 hours and 47 minutes, elevation gain 1,634 feet. Awesome ride. If you haven't already subscribed, click the subscribe button, like, share, all that good stuff. Have a good one.
Winds southerly at about 15 with gusts of 25 miles an hour. Barometric pressure 30.00 and is rising. And no precipitation. We're about a half inch behind, correction, a half inch ahead for the year, and 1 53/100ths behind for the year so far. We'll be looking for a little bit of a change tomorrow, and of course the possibility of some scattered showers.